Hi everyone, we're here in Loures, Portugal, in Lisbon, for the 5G as a Service General Meeting, and I have the pleasure to be here today with Alfonso Egio from i2CAT, who is going to explain to us a bit about i2CAT's role in the project. Alfonso, so I have two questions for you. The first one is, I know that within 5G as a Service, i2CAT is working on smart contracts. And we wanted to understand a bit about what exactly are smart contracts and how they relate to the topic of blockchain.
Okay. Smart contracts is a software way to model economic business process between many parties, basically. So smart contracts are software programs that can be used within a blockchain that's going to be the database, the support of the smart contracts in terms of storage, the data storage. It's going to be the blockchain, okay? And it serves to model in a decentralized way all the business economic models that we want to implement.
Okay, so understanding the concept, how can we find these topics within 5G as a Service?
Yeah, 5G as a Service is the first project that we are starting to use smart contracts to define the economical rules between the different stakeholders that may be interested in the telco marketplaces. Basically, in order to build a 5G service, a service provider needs to hire some infrastructure, and these economic transactions can be modeled in smart contracts. So the orchestration and automation of the managing of the network sharing and slicing can be automated in terms of smart contracts. So we can use the blockchain in order to model these economic relations between the stakeholders that are implied in a 5G deployment.
Okay, thank you so much, Alfonso, for your help, and I hope you enjoyed our little talk.
Okay, thank you
Thank
too.
you.